If you think electric mowers are weak or unreliable, you haven't tried the best electric push mower on the market today. I've pushed these cordless machines to their limits, and some of them outperformed gas-powered mowers in power, runtime, and ease of use. Get ready for a game-changing mower experience that will make you never look back. At number 5, Toro Recycler 21466 22-inch 60V battery self-propelled lawnmower. I'll start with the Toro Recycler because it was my introduction to battery-powered mowing that felt almost as powerful as gas. The personal pace auto drive system was a revelation. I didn't expect to trust a speed-sensing self-propel as much as I did, but this system really reads your walking speed and adjusts the mower accordingly. On my uneven, sloping backyard, it meant no more battling the mower or constantly adjusting speed. The mower kept up effortlessly, and I could focus on guiding rather than pushing. If you've used older self-propelled electric mowers that feel jerky or unpredictable, Toro's approach is a breath of fresh air and a key reason why it ranks in my top picks for the best electric push mower. The brushless motor felt smooth and responsive. It kept spinning strong even when the grass was damp or taller than usual. What surprised me was the Vortex Technology Deck's mulching performance. Far fewer clumps and cleaner cuts compared to similarly priced models I've tested. One downside is the weight. At 90 pounds, it's on the heavier side. I found it stable and planted while mowing, but lifting it into my garage was a two-person job. If you want power and reliability over lightweight portability, this mower deserves serious consideration. At number 4, Ryobi 20-inch 40V brushless cordless push lawnmower. The Ryobi 40V model was my pick when I needed something simple and easy to maneuver around flower beds and tight spots. At just 61 pounds, it felt surprisingly light compared to other cordless mowers I've pushed. That made a huge difference when mowing a small, flat yard with lots of curves. No self-propel means you do the work pushing, but the excellent weight distribution and firm metal deck made the effort less tiring than expected. I was genuinely surprised by how consistent the brushless motor power was throughout the battery charge. Many cordless mowers lose steam toward the end, but this one didn't. I kept it as my go-to mower for quick jobs or spot mowing because it starts instantly and is easy to fold and store. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable battery-powered push mower that feels robust and easy to handle, this Ryobi is an excellent choice among the best electric push mower options. At number 3, Greenworks 60V 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawnmower 2x4.0H batteries plus rapid charger. This Greenworks mower earned a permanent spot in my garage for tackling medium to large lawns. The biggest game changer here is the dual batteries and rapid charger. In real use, it means you never have to stop mid-mow. I've powered through half-acre yards without rushing or worrying about battery life. The rear-wheel drive self-propel system was easy to engage and felt smooth on slopes and uneven ground. No jerky starts, no getting stuck, just consistent, effortless forward movement that saved my back on longer mowing sessions. Versatility is a standout here. The 4-in-1 cutting modes, mulch, bag, side discharge, turbo leaf pickup, meant I could switch between tasks without needing extra equipment. I especially liked the turbo leaf pickup when clearing fall leaves. It made the mower a true year-round tool. I didn't expect to use the LED headlights, but as an early riser, mowing before sunrise became comfortable and safer. That's a thoughtful, often overlooked feature on a cordless mower. If you want the best electric push mower with battery life, power, and cutting versatility that keeps up with larger yards and multiple tasks, this Greenworks model is a solid, practical choice. At number 2, Power LM2130 SP 21-inch cordless electric mower Select Cut plus touch drive. The mower really felt like a premium, pro-grade machine. What blew me away was the Select Cut multi-blade system. It lets you swap lower blades to optimize between mulching, bagging, or maximizing battery runtime. This level of cutting customization is rare outside commercial mowers, and is a big reason why I rank this as one of the best electric push mowers. Using the touch drive propulsion system was a delight. Instead of a traditional self-propel lever, you just rest your palm on the handle and the mower moves forward smoothly. Adjusting speed with a dial on the handle made transitions effortless and reduced wrist strain. After long mowing sessions, my arms felt far less tired compared to other self-propelled electric mowers. The 7.5H battery, not included with mower-only SKU, gave me a solid hour of runtime, enough to finish large yards without worrying about swapping or charging batteries mid-mow. The IPX4 water resistance was reassuring. I kept mowing through light dew and unexpected drizzle without issues. If you want the best electric push mower focused on precision cutting, aerodynamic design, and long runtime, the Eagle Power Plus LM2130 SP is my top recommendation. At number 1, CAT DG671 60V 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawnmower, battery and charger included. The CAT DG671 is hands down the most powerful and intelligent cordless mower I've used. I honestly didn't expect a cordless mower to feel this close to gas power. The torque logic technology blew me away. It senses when grass is thick and automatically increases torque, then drops power on lighter patches to save battery life. I found the alloy steel 21-inch cutting deck incredibly durable and efficient. Mulching was some of the finest I've seen, and the bag filled quickly without clumping. Switching between mulching, bagging, and side discharge was easy and didn't interrupt the flow. I was also impressed by practical touches like the LED headlights for low-light mowing and the foldable handle for compact storage. At around 73 pounds, it's manageable but built solid. Plus, battery and charger included means no surprises or extra costs. If you want the absolute best electric push mower that combines raw power, smart adaptive tech, and excellent battery runtime, the CAT DG671 is my number one pick without hesitation. Final thoughts on choosing the best electric push mower. The search for the best electric push mower isn't just about specs or brand names, it's about what mower fits your lawn size, mowing style, and comfort level. For small, flat yards, I found the Ryobi 40V unmatched in agility and simplicity. For bigger or hillier properties, the Greenworks and CAT models stood out with their smart power management and extended runtime. If you want to fine-tune cutting precision and reduce fatigue, the Eagle Power Plus with Select Cut and Touch Drive is a game-changer. And if you want consistent, intuitive self-propel like you'd expect from a gas mower but want cordless convenience, Toro's personal pace system is a winner. No matter your choice, these 5 models represent the best electric push mowers on Amazon, each delivering strong performance, solid runtime, and thoughtful features that will make your lawn care easier and more enjoyable.